Hey you guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a DIY on these Farmhouse books. So if you like to know how I made these, then please keep on watching. So the first thing that you're going to need are some books from the Dollar Tree. And I say Dollar Tree because they're only $1 and you're going to use them for decor anyways. I grabbed 5 because there's 5 members in my family. And then the next thing you're going to need is some acrylic paint, and then also some twine of your choice. You're also going to need an ink pad, and then of course some alphabet stamps, and then you're also going to need a paintbrush and some scissors. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you're going to do is remove the cover from the books, and it's actually really easy. All you have to do is a little tugging and then they come right off. So when you're all done taking the covers off, you're going to get one book and you're going to take the first sheets of paper and rip them off, and this will be your top book. The next thing you're going to do is grab your acrylic paint, and then you're going to paint the spine of the book. You don't have to do this step, but I wanted to do it because I wanted it to really stand out and to be more white, and then I also wanted the letters to go on there very smoothly. Once your books are dry, you're going to start to stamp the names to the spines of the book. And this was a little bit of trial and error for me. I did mess up a few times, but you can just go right over it with the acrylic paint and start all over. And then you see me here wiping the edges of the letter because I didn't want the square to come out stamped on the book. I just wanted the letter. And that's all I did for each name. And once you're done doing that, you're going to grab your books and you're going to stack them and start to loop your twine around them. You're going to want to do this a few times so that they can hold, and then you're going to do the same thing on the other end. And then I went ahead and added a little bow on the top just to give it a little extra touch. This step is optional, but I wanted to add a little bit of greenery to the top of it. And what's cool about this is that you can switch it out for the seasons. So for example, now that fall's coming up, you can put some fall leaves and it'll stand out with your decoration. So that's it, you guys. This is the finished look. I really like how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think down below, and let me know if you're going to try it. It's super easy and it took me maybe less than 20 minutes. Thank you guys again for watching. I really hope you guys subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.